We are addressing the installation and use of duplex circuit breakers, also known as twin or piggyback breakers, specifically within the context of an electrical study being conducted at a library that is over 100 years old. The National Electrical Code, or NEC, addresses the use of duplex circuit breakers. NEC Article 210.4 covers the installation and use of these breakers. According to this article, duplex circuit breakers shall be installed only in panel boards that are listed and marked to accept duplex circuit breakers. It is crucial to confirm that the existing panel board is specifically designed and approved for use with this type of breaker. Duplex circuit breakers shall not be used to protect more than one circuit at a time. Each breaker in the duplex configuration is intended to protect a single individual circuit. Duplex circuit breakers shall be marked to indicate the maximum ampacity of each circuit that they can protect. This marking ensures that the breaker is properly matched to the circuit's requirements. Duplex circuit breakers shall not be used in circuits where the maximum demand will exceed the ampacity of the circuit breaker as determined in accordance with Article 220. This relates to load calculations and ensuring the breaker's rating is adequate for the anticipated load. NEC Article 240.15 also has relevance when considering conductors tapped from a circuit breaker. Branch circuits with tapped conductors requires that conductors tapped from the supply side of a circuit breaker or load center shall terminate an additional overcurrent protection at the tap point. This is to ensure that the smaller conductor is protected appropriately. The additional overcurrent protection shall be sized to protect the conductor supplying the tap. This means the overcurrent device must be appropriately rated for the conductor size. The additional overcurrent protection shall be located within the same enclosure as the circuit breaker or load center. This dictates where the overcurrent protection must be installed.